Welcome back. We are going to review our letters and write some words. We're going to review how to connect each one together, because that's really what the cursive skill is all about. How do we connect those letters? And that makes our writing a little bit faster. And so we're just gonna review a few letters. We're gonna review I, U, T, L, A. And in your own page, you can go ahead and just put a review of each of those letters in the top bar. Then we're going to just review what words we can write. We can write the word all using our A-L-L. We can also write the word tall simply by adding a T to the front of that. And then we are also going to write the word, which isn't exactly a word, but we're going to write la, 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 like we're singing. And then this one's review, because we did this already, we can write lit. He lit the match, something like that. So we're going to do these 4, and you can choose whichever line spacing makes the most sense for where you're at. Choose the one that's comfortable to you to start, and then I want you to choose one that's a little more challenging. Okay, I'm going to change my color, and I'm going to start with the word all, and I'm going to start right here. And I have to make this a little smaller. A, L, L, just like that. Okay, and now we're going to do the word tall, and it's going to just have a T in front of it. Whoops. Sweeping up all the way to the top line, down into our A. L goes all the way up and down 2 times, and then we sweep out. After that, we cross our T. If you notice, I don't cross the T on the line because it gets a little too close to the A. So I cross it very slightly above the line. Now I'm going to go ahead to the next line, and I'm going to write my la, la, la. And you can write as many as you want. See if you can get them to look really consistent. Okay, and then the last one is lit. I'm going to write that down here, L-I-T. And maybe on the last one, since it is review, you can practice to get a really good slant, L-I-T, and get your nice cursive slant going. That would be a really good goal.